Redmi K80 Pro launched with Snapdragon 8 Elite, 2K OLED display, 50-megapixel triple camera, and 6,000 mAh battery. Redmi has officially launched its flagship smartphone, the Redmi K80 Pro, in the Chinese market, alongside the Redmi K80 and the Redmi K80 Pro Champion Edition. The Redmi K80 Pro features a 6.67 inches OLED 2K flat panel, offering exceptional clarity and brightness. The display supports a 3200x1440 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 12-bit color depth, and a peak brightness of 3200 nits. It also incorporates Xiaomi's Qingshan Eye Care 2.0 technology, offering full brightness DC dimming to reduce eye strain and flicker. The device features a dual-finish glass unibody design with ultra-narrow 1.9mm bezels, making it 21% thinner than its predecessor. It comes with Xiaomi Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0, offering 20x improved durability. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on a 3nm process, offering a 45% CPU and 44% GPU performance boost over its predecessor with improved power efficiency. It features a dedicated D1 gaming chip, LPDDR5X memory, UFS 4.0 storage, and Rage Engine 4.0 for dynamic frequency scaling. It supports ultra-resolution and ultra-frame gaming with upgraded dual-loop 3D ice-sealed cooling, ensuring smooth and consistent performance during intensive gameplay. The device runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS 2, which integrates the HyperCore kernel for enhanced performance, faster app launches, and reduced latency. The Redmi K80 Pro features a versatile triple camera setup, led by a 50-megapixel primary sensor with OIS stabilization and a cinematic dynamic range of 13.2 EV for vibrant and detailed shots. It comes with a 32-megapixel ultra-wide camera, offering a 120 degrees field of view. It also sports a 50-megapixel floating telephoto lens, supporting 2.5x optical zoom, 5x lossless zoom, 20x digital zoom, and macro mode for intricate close-ups. For selfies and video calls, it equips a 20-megapixel front camera, ensuring crisp and clear results. The K80 Pro is powered by a 6,000 mAh battery, complementing 120-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. It also sports Xiaomi's Surge G3 fast charging chip and equips the Surge G1 battery management system, ensuring safety and efficient performance. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.